Hi, I'm Haley, and today I'm going to be making something that's really easy. It's only 3 ingredients. This is one of my favorite things, and they're really good, like really, really good. So let's get started. Okay, the cool thing about this is we actually don't have to do any baking. So I'm going to start by melting about 2 cups of butterscotch chips. Now you can melt them in the microwave, but the right way to do it, and probably the safer way to do it, is to get a pot and fill it about halfway with water, and then turn it on medium, and then bring it to a simmer. And I'm going to take another bowl with my butterscotch chips in and set it over it. And the steam from the water will slowly melt the butterscotch chips. Now in another bowl over here, I've got half a cup of chopped peanuts. And I'm gonna be using a 5-ounce can of chow mein noodles. So these are like little dry noodly things. They're like a really good snack. And I'm going to mix them together. Now I'm gonna come back over here and check on my butterscotch chips. Some of them are melting, but they're definitely not done yet. Ooh, okay, this is perfect. It's so smooth, see? All right, I'm gonna take this off. Be careful because it is very hot. The steam just comes up. Okay. Now I am just going to pour my butterscotch into the other mixture. And I'm gonna stir this around. You can use a spoon or a spatula, whatever works. I'm using both. I guess this helps a lot using both. Okay, once it's well mixed, we're gonna put them on a baking sheet. I have parchment paper down so that it doesn't stick to the baking sheet. I'm just gonna use a medium cookie scoop, which is like 2 tablespoons full. I might need to do this without the cookie scoop because, nope, this cookie scoop is working. And so they're gonna look like little haystacks. Okay, now I'm done with my first pan, and I'm gonna stick these in the freezer for about 30 minutes or until they harden up. All right, they're done. This is great. These were just in the freezer for 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna try one. This recipe made 20. Let's see, this guy. Oh. I love these. They're just one of those essential desserts. Like you have to make them at least once. Forget about it, make them a million times. Make them as many times as you want, but yeah, you have to try these. The chow mein noodles are like really crunchy and good, and then there's the salt from the peanuts, and the butterscotch chips just brings it all together and makes it perfect. This is like an iconic dessert. Well, thank you so much for making these with me today. Let me know if you ever make haystacks at home, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.